अच्छा, क्वेश्चन नंबर 19 your homework. Question number 19 was your completed this one, just complete. This one is clear to all of you. So those who have not completed number 19, complete it. Actually, it was your homework. Jack had this amount, 1,98,112, and he spent some amount on buying motorcycle, buying CD player, buying a computer, and on transportation. So we have to find the total amount which is spent on this four thing, on buying motorcycle, CD player, computer, and transportation. So total addition of these four, this amount is the amount which he spent on this 40. But total he had how much? This one, no? And he spent how much? 1,07,793. So remaining balance is how much? Now, how much balance is remaining with him? Total he had this, he spent this. So remaining normal subtraction. Now complete this one, okay? Next, today I'll start the next chapter. Okay, all of you understood this one though? Sharanya, Moushim, Sushnata, Chashia. Okay, now you can hear me properly though? Okay. Acha, done this one. Parijat, Ankita, Afrina completed. Okay. Not completed. Okay, I'm waiting. Acha, next chapter 6, multiplication. Today I'll start, okay? But before that, I'll explain some property under multiplication. Already you learned about the property, commutative, associative, learned. I explained at the time of addition, you learned about the property. Today at the time of multiplication, I will explain this property. Huh? Ankita, done. Basically, from few days we are facing too much problem. Network problem. Yes, though. So don't worry, I'm taking the screenshot. I'll upload this and you can see the video also. Even sometimes the video is getting paused. Okay, I think all of you have done up to this. Now let me explain. Okay, all of you give heading. All of you give heading multiplication, chapter 6. Okay. Under multiplication, there are some property. Today I'll explain that property. Basically, I explain this property, but at the time of addition. Today at the time of multiplication, I'll explain this property. Huh? Okay. All of you open your book. Open your copy. Okay, give heading chapter 6. Okay, and write multiplication. Multiplication. CATION. Okay. Now look at this. Acha, you are not going to write the whole thing. Okay, don't write the whole thing. Which one you have to write? I will just say. Okay, look at this. First, commutative property, give heading. Commutative property already under addition done. At the time of addition, when I was completing that addition chapter, then addition was done. Na? Today, what will you do? Only under multiplication. Okay. Which one I am marking? Only you have to do this one. That means B into A. Okay, just they will interchange. Under addition means what? A plus B is equal to B plus A. Here basically in place of plus, it will be multiplication product into sign. Okay, there we will get their product. Okay, suppose we are taking two numbers 7 and 3. 7 into 3 is equal to what will be the answer? 21. So if we interchange their place, 3 into 7, then also we will get the same answer, 21. So ultimately, if we change the order, it doesn't matter. If we change its position, it doesn't matter, right? Ultimately, the answer will be same. Look, 13 into 7 is equal to 7 into 13. Both are ultimately same. It is called commutative property, okay? Commutative property. Complete this. Okay, this one only under multiplication, not under addition part. Huh? At first, then associative property I'll cover. Basically, you know the name of commutative property, even you know the explanation also. At the time of addition, I explained. So just write it. Note down the points. Okay. Acha, note down this star part also. What is given? Commutative property always hold for addition and multiplication. Addition to already done. Multiplication today you can see it. Suppose we are taking any two number 5 into 12. It is also 60, and if we take 12 into 5, then also we'll get 60. So both are same. If we change its order, ultimately no matters. So complete this one first and give heading commutative property. Sharanya, you are writing or not? No need to write this under addition part because already written this one. Okay. Done to up to this? All of you? Okay. Now let me explain associative property under multiplication. It is also nothing. Look. I'll move the screen. Okay. Associative property is also the same thing, huh? What? We have to take three numbers. Just like associative property under addition, you understood, na? Suppose A plus B plus C we are doing. If we take first two number first, then the last one, ultimately what will be the value? Exactly same value will come when we take A plus B plus C. If we take the last two first, this addition first, then the first one. Ultimately, here also the same answer will come. These two will be same answer. This was the under addition. But what is under multiplication? Under multiplication means in place of plus, just it will be into. Okay, it is under multiplication. Just in place of plus, it will be into. Okay. Oishani Ovipsha. Sit properly. That's what. Suppose 2 into 3 into 7 we are doing. Okay. First, complete the first two in first bracket. 2, 3, 42. Okay. Now, if we change the bracket, look, 2 into 3 into 7. Suppose we first, here we have done the first two calculation first. Here we will do last two calculation first. What? We'll take last two in bracket. Then, okay. Yes, Oishani, I am going to unmute you. Just wait. Okay. Now we do last two in brackets. So complete this one. At first we have to do brackets work. So it will be 3 7s are 21. Now 221 is also 42. The same answer is coming. Yes or no? Yes, though. Okay. That means associative property under multiplication. Look, three numbers A, B, C. Suppose A into B into C. First, we have to take these two in bracket first two. Then A into B into C, last two in bracket. Ultimately, no matters. In case of multiplication, ultimately same answer will be there. Is it clear to all of you? Vahya, Ankita, Anubhav? Is it clear? Good. Trisha, Shampriti, Farzana? Okay. Farzana not understood? Okay, by an example, again I am explaining. Don't worry. Now give heading associative property. Give heading associative property. Okay. Then under multiplication, only this one you have to write. No need to write under addition part, huh? Basically, the product of three or more numbers will not change. However, the numbers are grouped while multiplying. Grouped means we are making a group now by putting that bracket. Suppose we are taking, look at this. Suppose we are taking 3. Pratibha, understood or not? If not, then listen to me again. Okay. Suppose we are taking 3 numbers, 3, 4 and 5. Look, first we are making this 3 and 4 in first bracket. 5 is 5 single, okay? No, not in any bracket. Now, 3 fourths are 12 into 5. The answer is what? 60. So, again, if we take the bracket or the group in other way, okay? Suppose 3 into 4 and 5 will be in bracket. We have made the group in another way. Here 3 and 4 is in a group. Here 4 and 5 is in a group. So first we have to do this group calculation. So 3 into 4 5s are 20. Ultimately 3 20s are 60. Yes. So same answer is coming. Complete this. Write it fast. Vahia, written. Yes, Oishani Obhipsha understood. Acha, you want to say something? Yes, okay, okay. Acha, wait, I am coming, beta. For commutative property, give some space. Okay, then at first write this one, associative property. Okay. Complete this one first. Then there is one more property, distributive. And mute yourself also, huh? Sushnata, done. Sushnata, done. No, acha, okay, do it fast. Yes, Afrina, I am coming and sit properly, Afrina. Okay, now all of you done so. Now let me move for the next one, okay? Give heading distributive property of multiplication over addition. Acha, you can also also see this one under multiplication associative also, and distributive property is over there also. Okay. Now let me explain distributive property. Okay. Look at this. Distributive property means basically we have to take three numbers. Okay. Ultimately, by its name we can explain it, of multiplication over addition. That means suppose three numbers we are taking, 2, 3 and 7. Okay. Now what to do with this? If multiplication over addition, so first we will put multiplication 2 into, in bracket, then 3 plus 7 addition. First multiplication over addition. By the name even you can understand it. So now what will be the answer? 2 into 3 plus 7, this is in bracket, so we have to do the calculation of bracket part at first. 7 plus 3, 10. Now 2 tens are 20. What the answer is coming? 20. Okay, this one clear though? So basically if we take 2 into 3 plus 7, then the answer is coming 2 into 10, that is equal to 20. Done? 20. Now if we change the order a little, how? Suppose we are taking in this way. This one is first part. Now second part, suppose we are taking this, we are not taking the bracket in this way. 2 into 3 we are taking first, then this plus 2 into 7. First 2 in bracket, last 2 in bracket. Now if we do this, look, ultimately the answer will be same. Huh? How? 3 2s are 6 plus 2 7s are 14. Now 14 plus 6 is equal to what? 20. Na? So basically, if we take in this way, then also 20 coming. If we take in this way, then also 20 is coming. So the answer is same though. Then we can easily say 2 into 3 plus 7 is equal to 2 into 3 plus 2 into 7. Yes or no? Clear? This one is clear? Afrina, Shirin? Okay, good. Oishani, Ovipsha, Nouraz? Oishani, Ovipsha, clear? Acha. Ashia, Farzana, Prativa, okay. Asjadul, write it fast. Not understood? Okay, I'm explaining again, no issue. Write it first, then I'm explaining, okay? Up to this. Basically, if we take three numbers, Asjadul, look at this. If we take three numbers, okay, then suppose multiplication over addition, so by its name, acha, Oishani and Ovipsha, every day you started to fight in the class. I don't know why. When you will come to school now, when the school will reopen, there will be one competition between you, huh? Okay, now look at the screen, all of you. Basically, if we take any three numbers, suppose we are taking 3, 4, 5. Asjaddur, look at this carefully, huh? It is given multiplication over addition, though. So first put multiplication sign, then addition sign. Okay. Now this addition, if we take in bracket, ultimately this will be equal if we do individual multiplication. Okay. 3 into 4 plus 3 into 5. First we are adding this, then multiply. Ultimately the answer, what the answer will be, the same answer will come when at first we do multiplication, then addition. First one, look, in group, we are doing addition. Here in group, we are doing multiplication. Then we are adding. Ultimately, if the order is changed or the process is changed, the bracket changed, okay, the group is in, then no matters. Ultimately, the same answer will be there. Up to this, all of you completed. Those who have not done, Acha, Afrina, Shirin, those who have completed, Shirin, you have a doubt? Acha, okay. Acha, only 1 minute is there, okay? All of you, I am telling you that to take a screenshot, okay? The class will get over. Shirin, I am coming, wait. And if you are unable to write this, then you can take a screenshot after the class, you can write it.